Hi folks, Terry Brown here. Thank you for checking this video out today. It's another next level video message, and in this video I'm going to share with you a program that I had gotten in a while back, and they're upscaling this amazing travel club. Great things are happening. It's a lot of potential to make quite a bit of money is here, and so I'm going to introduce you to our travel club program. Very inexpensive to get started. So with all that being said, stay tuned for the next few moments. Okay, here you have it, folks. Finally, a travel program that makes sense. And I tell you something, this company is rolling out some incredible things where you can make money with this tremendous program, but you've got to get in to get started. You've got to get in to see what's happening. Never pay retail for travel again, and make money at the same time. I got this video I'm going to plug you into real quick. Listen up, and then I'm going to close this video out today. Here we go.
So you love traveling the world, whether it's for business or pleasure. You love staying in great hotels and fantastic all-inclusives, going on cruises, and seeing the sights. Well, let me ask you, have you ever booked your reservation on an online booking engine? If you have, you've got to join our travel club. Now, you might think I'm being a little bold, but I'm just being honest. Why would anyone pay retail if they can pay wholesale? When you book on an online booking engine, you're paying retail. When you join our travel club, we'll set you up as a travel agent, and we'll give you travel agent booking engines. So you'll be able to book at travel agency rates and earn commissions on your reservation too. How do you say no to this? It'll take you less than 5 minutes to set up your booking engines, and it's only a one-time fee of $25 to get set up. You'll probably save more than that on just one hotel reservation. So why don't you join us now? We'd love to have you as part of our club.
Okay, folks, there you have it. Real simple. One-time fee gets you started. Okay, we have a marketing system that you can plug into for $12.95 per month. It's autoresponder, it's marketing, it's a management system. It is a powerful program. So there you have it. Or if you just want to do travel and book travel for yourself, again, $25, one-time fee. But you got to check it out. I'm going to leave the link at the bottom of this video. Be sure to check things out today. Bye-bye now.